right there, like where the hose is hooked up. If you was watching it, it has been hooked up and it's actually already been making. It's actually already made ice. Like refrigerator is like right above. Look at back if it's like right above, like where I'm at now. Like that's the. There's the wire line going into the house. Like over there. This was not the original wire line that came into the house. When this house was like fucking put in there, it was a different wire line here. But it was a shit job that was done. Nobody even. And what happened was ended up. So I had the better idea. Put some new copper pipe in. It's a better copper pipe. There's like a line going right down there. Now these bolts here are probably like hooked to the front, attached to the front porch, and that's like the gas line here. There's like 2 valves here, one up there, which could turn right off completely. And this wire line right here is like for a good way to like drain it if needed. One part we didn't even have to. So I figured that had to happen. You could just drain that. There's like another one like right here. Like this too on both ends. Actually, the fun part is, if we wanted to say, rig up some new piping from that, we could just turn that off from there. Turn it off from there. Shut off from right there. And then drain the system. And then just drain that, and then if you want to hook any additional wire lines to here, or this section, then you could do so without any problem. But that was not even necessary, because what happened was they had some type of tap system here that you just hook into place, whatever, hook your wire hose to it. There's actually wire going in there right now. I managed to look up because look how close it is, like right there, where the hole is drilled, right into the pipe. More fucking pipe than needed, but a little bit extra distance will be good, just in case anyway. Oh, what a wonderful. So I figured you just hook this in here. This will hook it right up without having to even turn the wire line off or anything. But apparently it's making ice cubes and all that with no problem. So that's like interesting. Yeah, now they could just see how the ice cubes taste. I don't think it's much of an issue there. But it's real interesting. This pipe here is a way better job than the old one, where that was actually nowhere. You had to come up here to shut it off. So rigging this better pipe here was way better anyway. More professional looking. Oh yeah. It's like a tapping system. And this hose here and this tap here, It's like this whole tap was part of a kit that came out of, like, say, some hardware store. Like near Waterdam Plaza. It was like some shopping center or whatever. It's a real interesting setup anyway. I think the best way to end this video. Let's see how this ice cube tastes. So I might as well throw in some. Yeah, maybe. Sure, you might bitch and moan and say that's fucking excessive, but to me, good drink ain't a good drink unless you have. Blackberry ginger ale mixed with cheap Crown Russ. It might be a strong taste anyway. You can definitely taste the vodka in that. Ugh. All that'd be worse is like drinking it straight. Try drinking it straight at room temperature. That'd be way worse. I think after I stop filming, I'm probably just gonna maybe put some more in here and try to thin it down a little bit. But other than that, the ice cubes, there's nothing wrong with the ice cubes, I don't think.